Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create runner character in MIT App Inventor. Now, we all know that we can't use the GIF in MIT App Inventor. So, I'm going to use here the some component and combine some images and make a runner character. So, let me show you how we can do this. So, here we go. So, first of all, click on new project and project name is runner character. We are going to create here the character. Using this character, you can make the amazing running games like a temple run or like that. Now, we need to create a runner first, okay? That should look like he or she is running, okay? Now, in the left side, you will see here the option of the drawing animation and just drag and drop the canvas. And make sure that width and height it fill parent like this. Cool. Now, I'm going to use here the image spread. Now what I need to do here, I need to find the runner, okay? So I need characters. So how can I do this? So we can see you will find, open the Pixabay and just find the runner, just search something. And once you search the running, you can see you will find a lot of running images. So you can see I got one character, you can see this one. So we need to get that character, okay? So let's download this and high resolution like this. Now we need to get the images from that GIF, like we need to get a frame of that. So for that, you can directly, if you are using a MacBook, so you will directly get the frames like this. So open the GIF, okay? And once you open the GIF, you will get the all the separated character like this, okay? But now if you don't have a Mac, suppose you are using Windows or other, so you can use here some other method, like suppose you can try just to frame, okay? And open this and you can use that website to get your actual frame. Go to here and I need to get a frames, okay? So now I have two frames. As you can see here, if I will move that, so this will look like running like this, okay? Now what we need to do here, I need to use both pictures. So as you can see here, go here, I have one.png and I have the another picture is 5.png. So I'm going to make that to the 2.png. Cool. Now go to the MIT App Inventor here. And now on the left side, we'll see here the option of sensors. Click on it and just drag and drop the clock component. Okay. Now make sure the clock component speed is, you can make it the 300 like this. Okay. Go to the clock. So whenever the clock is running, then you need to set the image split. You can see set image. You can see the image split dot picture. Just this. Clock this. Cool. Now we need to upload both images. Go to the design. I can see the upload option. Click on it. Choose file, and we have that two images. So I'm gonna upload one by one. Cool. I have two 1.png and another 2.png. Go to the block. Now select the 1.png here. So whenever the clock will run, so that will display the 1.png. Now I need to display the another image. So how can I do this? So I'm going to use simple condition logic here. Okay. So control if like this. Okay. And the logic, I'm going to just make a simple logic. If the image spread dot picture like this, okay, is equal to the 1.png, then set that picture to the 2.png like this, okay? And I'm going to make that in a default is like, the first one. So I'm going to just make it the picture one is done. Cool. So now what will happen, let me just make the height and width is, so height is I'm going to just make it 100 pixel and the width is I'm going to make it the 50 pixel like this. Cool. I have that image. Go to the blocks. If the image split dot picture equal 1.png, then we need to set to the 2.png. But if, okay, so I'm gonna just here do one thing else, okay, if that is not true, okay, so that will set to the image picture dot 1.png. Cool. So let me show you how this will work. Let me just run this. I'm gonna use here the AI companion to run this. Now you can see this is our GIF. It's running. Cool. In MIT App Inventor itself, we are not using here the direct GIF image. We created that GIF image. You can do this with any character. Now you can make your games, amazing games. You just need to use the some platform, some background, here some obstacle, and your character is running here. So this is the very simple or amazing character making video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.